On such nouns, you do not read those two signs. Yeah. So there are many nouns, and this is because of reasons. But now we start from all the way beginning. The cause different changes. That is Arab, like fatha, kasra, dhamma. This is in sign alamat. It can be like other form alif, ba, ya, harf. Signs with harf. Changing with harf and changing in form of signs, fatha kasra. So these fatha kasra zamma, they cause different endings. Fine. Yeah, that is their i'rab. And having i'rab, nouns with nouns having i'rab are mu'rab. Nouns having i'rab are mu'rab. Okay, so then is, there you go. If you see, yeah, unlike, okay, mu'rab, 3 points about mu'rab. Fine, 3 conditions. Should be unlike mabniul asl.